Alright, it's grand final day, but who cares about that? It's just some background noise. We got this to play with today. Already got the head off last night. It's not as wonderful as what we thought it was going to be. A bit of a lip on the boards, but you can't really... Yeah, there's a little bit there. It'll be okay. The main goal is just to stop it from blowing smoke. It looks like it's just been the valve stems in number 3, but while we got it apart, we'll just slap some rings and that in it, give it a quick overhaul, and then yeah. So we got the head off, we got it upside down now. We're going to pull the pan off, push some pistons out, just have a look at the bearings. We're going to reuse them anyway, whatever they look like, but because it's really not going to do many more Ks.
It is not.
Well, it'll be okay. Like, it's not ideal. Probably wouldn't recommend it, but look, don't want to spend any money on it. So I want it to stop blowing smoke. The car looks so good, you can't have it.
Can't have it, no, running like 2 straight.
Got how many weeks till all Euro Day? Like 5 weeks. Heaps of time.
Heaps of time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, delicious.
It's not too bad.
Oh, that's because it gets an oil change every drive through.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll push them out now. See what the bearings look like. A little bit sludgy, but that's to be expected for how old is it? 40 something years old.
A lot old, yeah.
So pistons out. They look quite good actually. There's no scoring or anything on the skirts. Well, yes, they look old and abused, but they'll be fine. The bearings even, well, there's some wear, but we'll just put them back in the same spots and that'll be absolutely fine for the amount of Ks that this engine's going to do. The rings are knackered, but that's why we pulled them out. Yeah, it's just this lip here that's a bit of a worry, but that's what we got, so that's going to get used again. But yeah, we're just going to wait for the hone now. It isn't here yet, but yeah, put it back together. Friday.
Something fatally wrong with this one here.
You know what's wrong with it? It's empty.
It's empty.
That's the problem.
That's the problem.
What are you doing? Just pulling these valve springs off slowly. A homemade tool, but it's working. It's just not. It's not the fastest. Yeah. Around there. We've got a nut underneath the bottom of the valve to hold it up and whip them collets out. I'll bugger it up now.
It's a bit of a pain.
It is. There she goes.
So can I have...
Wow, she freaking... Done one. About half the recommended time what it says on the box to do, but I think that's heaps. You can still see the lip in there, that's going to stay there. It'll be okay. But that's a lot nicer than what it was. Look at that. That was not too bad. Number 3 was the worst. That's where the oil was going, but yeah. I think that's going to be good enough. I reckon. Yes, alright. Put Bathurst on. Okay, we've done the honing. It's good. Pistons, rings off, all in order. New rings on. It'll be okay. We're using the bearings. Like I said, they're not great, but they're good enough for now. Or for the rest of its life, probably, anyway.
So what's happening here?
Put these pistons in. I'll oil that a little bit more. But, yes, slap them in. Wow, we've got a lot. Yeah. Yeah, oil them up, put the pistons back in. New rings are on. Bar it over in between each one, just to make sure nothing's locked up. And, yeah, put the head on later, once you get the parts.
Yeah, once I get my bit done.
Yeah.
At least get this bit done.
Yeah.
Two are in.
Paint her up after that.
Make it look pretty.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Need that. Nice and tight. Like so. Which I'll bugger it now the camera's on.
All the others have gone in perfectly.
Yes.
Or the other two.
All other. Like that.
Like that. Mwah, beautiful.
Lovely.
Mmm.
This is one of the most crucial things you have to do
One of
to
the-
rebuild an engine.
You have to do the beer test.
Yeah.
How many RPM do you generally do for the beer test?
Just low enough not to shake them up.
Okay, sure, sure.
Yeah.
How's it? Did it pass?
It feels good.
Feels good.
Yeah.
Well, you better do the ultimate test now and take a sip.
The pistons are in. It's going to taper up. The most crucial part of the rebuild. Make it look good.
Make it look like it should be.
The old Dulux rebuild.
Yep.
Just to impress the people who just like the look of things, which is us. It's got to look good. All these bits a bit cleaned up, bit of black on the block and that will look good. Looks quite bloody good actually.
Doesn't look too bad, does it?
See, we didn't even have to touch the inside, just have to paint the outside.
Exactly.
Stay on the bugger.
So annoying.
Keeps popping off. It's working. This is real mechanicking,
Yeah.
not replacing.
No. This is doing it the old way.
Yeah. Nah, throw it out. Put an old new head on it.
Get another one. Put another engine in it. Put a barrel in it.
Sell the car.
Yeah.
Sell it.
Chuck a Chev in it.
She's buggered.
She's buggered. Do it the way that the old Germans would have done it.
Yeah, you can hear it working, like, let alone seeing it, but you can hear it getting...
What's the seat look like? What's the outside of that look like? Yeah, so that was all pitted before.
Yes. Not too bad.
So we've got a few of them done. A few more to go.
going back together. Got all the valves, springs and everything in. It was nice and easy once we worked out the tool. We were blaming the poor old tool, but once we lubed it up, it actually worked really nice. Put the cam back in and we'll put that back on there. Hopefully get it fired up.
Tonight.
Not tonight, but soon.
Tonight.
We got 3 weeks left?
3 weeks.
3 weeks left.
Yeah.
And many things happening in between then and there, but yeah, so 2 weeks left.
2 weeks.
2 weeks, bit of
Yeah,
shakedown
2 weeks,
time.
Really.
Yeah,
Yeah. Got to take it out the drag strip.
we do. Get that
Quarter she'll run.
20-minute pass.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should be right. She's all ready.
Sorry.
It's good. Springs, everything's good to go. Over here he's been busy. Everything's beautifully clean. Nice little side covers. Looks well worth whatever you spent on them.
Too much.
Yes, but that's worth it. Yeah.
But I had to because one of them was rusted through
That's-
anyway.
Yeah. No, it looks good. Alright, let's put the head on. How old's this? This is like new old stock, isn't
New
it?
old stock, apparently.
So
How old new old is, I don't know, but it is genuine though.
bring the little carry bag over. Don't drop it. Haven't got time. How am I going to film and I'll give it a wipe, eh?
Very satisfying from this angle.
Yeah. Oh, pop, pop. That's what you want to do. That's what you working with.